Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Vijay Bastola. I'm 30 years old. I am from Makwanpur district, Nepal. I am married. I have 7 members in my family. My education is plus 2 pass. My height is 5.4 feet and weight is 63 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, watching movies, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I want to came to any European countries as a factory worker to earn money and support my family, secure my future. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning and weightlifting, operating machine materials, handle safety, etc. I would stay there for the long term, maybe 5 6 years. Also, I will follow the company rules and policy. Thank you. Thank you.